Guys, so I did a thing and yeah, I dyed my hair. So this is the grand reveal. Are you guys ready? Okay. 1, 2, 3. So I dyed the hair yesterday. I wasn't too sure if I liked the color, just because I just showered, air dried it, and the hair was just like a mess. And I'm like, dang, like the color is so drastic. Like it's actually a bit more red than I wanted it, but I'm not mad at it. I did want like a copper red. So for today, I'm doing a vlog style video. I'm gonna take you guys along with me on my day. I do have a couple errands to run. I'm actually leaving for my birthday trip tomorrow, so I have to prep for that. I have to pack today. I have to buy some last minute things. And yeah, that's basically what we're doing today. So that's why I went ahead and got ready, because ain't nobody trying to look crazy out there, you know? Let's just go ahead and take these rollers out. I'm so glad I woke up early today. It's literally just about to be 9 and I'm already ready. Like, hey. So this hair, I bleached it. I found these Wella toners that I had in my closet. So I was like, my hair was actually pretty blonde after bleaching it. So I was like, you know what? Like, let me just go ahead and tone it instead, before doing like this drastic color. And I'm like, if I like it, then I'll just leave it that way. So I toned it with the Wella Natural Blonde. And I put a little violet drops in it to make it ashy. And to be honest, the toner did not do much. Like, it wasn't as yellow anymore, but it still looked crazy as hell. And I actually filmed a video yesterday, a food review with that hair, and I was like, oh hell no. Like, I got home and I plugged in my camera to edit, and no guys, like I was like, there's no way I'm posting that damn video. I look crazy with that hair. So that's when I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and dye my hair like my original plan. Hi. Now let's play with this hair a little bit. Oh my god, this is cute. What do you guys think? Whoa, this is a lot of volume. I don't know what to do with this hair. Let's put a little bit of hairspray. I thought before, like, you can only achieve some type of hair like this going to the salon. But no, girl, you can do it at home. And by the way, I bought these rollers at on Shein. So super affordable too, and it's 12 of them, and they all come with a little roller. Oh, oops. And the clip. And I like that the clip has like little little thingies right here, whatever they're called. So it holds pretty well. I like that. So let me just go ahead and get dressed, walk my dog, feed my dog, make a coffee, and head on out. So I'll catch you guys in a second. So we have made it to our first destination. I'm actually outside of Burlington. I have to return these leggings that I bought. They're 1XL, but they were too damn small. Like, they did not go, like, it wouldn't even go past like my butt. So, and I want like some good like thick leggings, you know, but man, those are hard to find. If not, there is a TJ Maxx right next to it, but I think I'm just gonna go straight to Target after this, because I feel like TJ Maxx is gonna be the same thing. Guys, this hair is an adjustment. It was so hard to get dressed right now. Like, I feel like my clothes has to match my hair now. Like, I was gonna wear this like pink shirt, and I don't know, it just didn't look right. Like, oh my god, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. It's like, I want to love it, but it's hard. It's hard. I feel like it's gonna take some time. But let me stop wasting time and let's get our butt inside Burlington. Once I get home, I'm gonna show you guys everything I bought at Burlington. But now I am outside of Target. I wasn't able to find the leggings at Burlington. They were like so damn cheap, like super thick. I mean, not thick, thin. So, you know, everything finna show. and we don't want that. So, and this time I am gonna take you guys inside with me. It ain't a trip to Target if you don't look at the dollar stuff. And then my freaking cup didn't fit in the cup holder. Cargo pants. Oh, these are nice. Really want to try this, but I don't know. Should I or should I not? Oh, I wish it was $6. Alright guys, so I actually just made it to my mom's house and I figured I'd get her reaction to my hair because she obviously hasn't seen it. Hello. Yeah.
Oh my God, tu pelo. Oh my God.
Quedó like más rojo de lo que quería.
Oh my God, es así como un cambio de 1 al 100.
I know. Alright, we are home. I'm gonna show you guys really quick what I got because I'm kind of running out of time today. I still have to edit and I have to go get the sticker for my tags, and what else do I have to do? Oh, and I still have to pack. So we got Burlington, we got Target, and we got Walmart. So let me show you guys what I bought at Burlington first. As you guys saw, I bought my mom some of these, and I actually bought 3. And 2 of them were on sale, so I was like, hell yeah. Okay, and I got this Adidas sweater for myself. It's like a cropped Adidas, and it's pretty big. I wanted it like loose on me, but it's cropped, and isn't it so cute? And it has a little logo in the front, and this was actually on sale too, so I didn't think about it twice of getting it. Where's the tag? So originally it was 50 bucks, and then Burlington's price was 20 bucks, and I got it for $14.99. Thank you. And I got these sweatpants for my mans, just some cargo joggers. I really wanted to get them for myself, but I don't know if this booty is gonna fit in here, to be honest. But yeah, these are like really cute. It has these like pockets on the side, you know, it has a little scrunch. I got these for $9.99. Moving on with Target, I got my leggings. I finally found some leggings. They're from the brand Wild Fable. And yeah, just some regular black leggings. I like that they're not that long, you know, your girl is short, so these are great. And these were only $7. And I also got a little like shapewear shirt, a little cami. I actually already have one of these, but it's a little too big now, so I got a smaller size. This isn't a small, and I like this because it's pretty thick and it's like tight, so you know, we need that little compression sometimes. And I've been wanting this, but you know, I was like, no, I'm not gonna get it, like, but I was like, screw it, I'm gonna get it this time. I got the Cetaphil Derma Control Oil Absorbing Moisturizer with sunscreen. I've been wanting to try this like for the freaking longest, and yeah, finally se me va a hacer. So it's for oily skin, because yo girl is oily. You are never gonna see a wrinkle on me, but I'm always gonna be shining. Shine bright like a diamond. This was $17.89. The shapewear was $21.99. And at Walmart, I literally just bought one thing. Just pick up some stuff at Walmart till like later, like 6. And my dog eats around 5. So I went ahead and just picked up one. Because we always buy the packets. Yeah. I am pretty excited. Tomorrow is my motherfucking birthday. Thank you, Jesus, for blessing me, for all the things I have, for all the people I have in my life, for all my supporters here on YouTube. I am grateful. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And with that being said, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Wish your girl a happy birthday. Don't forget, guys, once I hit 800 subscribers, I'm gonna do a cash giveaway. And all you gotta do is like, comment, and be subscribed to my channel. And I am looking. So we're gonna see. Once we hit 800, I'm picking the winner. We'll see what video that's in. So y'all stay tuned. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. If you haven't already... If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.